Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. Now, today I want to talk to you about saving other people. I know it's tedious and people, they made it over money. Congratulations. But you know, a lot of times at the end of the day, you have to save yourself first. Because it's been my experience where you try to help people and do this and do that. But as long as they know you're going to be there for them, they're not going to try to do anything else. So I would advise, don't burn yourself out because people, they make it without you. It happens all the time. So sometimes, people try to guilt trip you, and then sometimes you do feel bad because you be like, I should help that person, this and that. And I'm not saying don't help people, but sometimes you have to let people help themselves because all of a sudden they make it without you. Because if you that crutch, guess what? They're going to keep on coming to you and keep coming and coming and coming, and you're going to be burnt out and you're going to start regretting it. So I will advise, do what you can do. I'm not saying don't help people, but there is a limit. So I know somebody got some value from this video. So if you did, please like, comment, and share it. And y'all be good today. It's a great day. And we made it. Deuces.